Hi friends, I'm making multicolored French meringue spiral pops. Mix room temperature egg whites at medium speed with a whisk attachment, adding sugar 1 spoonful at a time, then the vanilla and cream of tartar. Turn the mixer up to high for about 8 minutes until you get really stiff peaks. Like that. And we're doing 3 colors here, and so dividing the meringue up as evenly as possible. Mixing the green like crazy. You really want to get it mixed well, and it was a little bit on the light side, so add a little bit more food coloring to it. Next up is yellow. And finally pink. So those are the 3 main colors in the Goody Goody logo. Taking a piece of plastic wrap, we spread out a row of each color. So just doing yellow and green here. Close the end, put it in your piping bag. And I'm putting little bits of meringue on the corners just to hold the parchment paper down. Now positioning the lollipop sticks. Start with the corners and just add the other sticks in where they belong. We're only doing 6 here, even though the tray will fit 8 because we don't need that many. So try to pipe in a straight up and down position. I have trouble with that. Beautiful. Next is green and pink. And for this one I'm cutting the end off because you want a kind of a really neat and tidy end. I think on the last one it was fine, didn't have to cut it. And again, this is so nice. I love piping stuff like this. It looks so cool. And we're not showing you all the prep stuff for this, but yellow and pink. And finally, the big kahuna, we're doing 3 colors. You could probably do, I've done 4 colors before, but it's possible. You can just keep going. And again, roll it the same way in your piping bag. And I'm using a 1M tip, which is a really great tip for this kind of project. There you go. Bake in the oven at 200 degrees Fahrenheit for 2 hours because they're pretty thick, and then let them cool in the oven for at least an hour to really dry them out. Green and yellow, green and pink, pink and yellow, and our tricolor. And that's it.